You ready to play? Oh, look at her. And she's out of here. Oh, she's out of here. So we're gonna go to play, and this looks a little bit insane. Playtime.
I went all the way up, then I went back down, and then I'm like, I think I better stop.
Yeah, this is gonna be hectic.
Uh-oh.
Think it's gonna be hectic?
I think it's gonna be hectic.
Think it's gonna be hectic.
It's gonna be crazy. Uh-oh. Little Missy just woke up.
We shall see. Are you ready to play?
Say yes. Hello, hello, yes.
Say yes. Okay, you give me the mic back. Mic back, please. Okay, mic back. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's go. You ready to play? Oh, look at her. And she's out of here. Come on, you got it. You got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Come on. Uh-oh, going this way? Oh, shoot. Come on.
I'm being chased. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Oh. Oh, it's a new place, huh? We haven't been in here. Where's the slide? Daddy's getting tired. Find the slide so we can go down. Oh, my back hurts. You got it. Go ahead. You got it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ooh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello.
Ah, thank you.
Hello.
Let's go.
No.
On the other side. On this one. On this one. On this one. Ready? Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Hey! One, two. By the time we put our shoes on, she was gone. Look at her. By the time we put our shoes on, she was out of here. Okay, I will need a drink after this.
You don't have to run everywhere, babe. you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Here, mommy, eat some.
I've always wanted mustard
Can we have
with
some
my
more?
cereal. Can I get some ketchup on my cereal? Mmm.
Oh, wow. Whee! Whee! You did it!
Looks like she's gonna sit here and watch a movie for right now. At Okada, I didn't even know this was like a thing, this whole play area. But if you have kids, you probably want to take them here. And we're actually like in a little movie theater that has popcorn right now. And she doesn't even want to go on the slides anymore.
Yeah, she's totally into the movie.
This place is wild.